like I have seen, so many uh, people, or not people, I would like to say, kids who are just turning 18 and
Mm-hmm.
want to get their first
First
motorcycle.
one, bullet.
It's like bullet, okay, but it's like, पापा मुझे ड्यूक 200 चाहिए, नहीं,
Mm.
पापा मुझे ड्यूक 390 चाहिए, नहीं, पापा मुझे कोई भी अदर बाइक, लाइक मुझे BMW दिला दो, नहीं, मुझे अपाची दिला दो 310R, नहीं, पापा मुझे रॉयल एनफील्ड चाहिए, हाँ, इट्स
दिला
दैट टाइप ऑफ अ
देंगे।
थिंग, अच्छा, रॉयल एनफील्ड ही तो चाहिए, हाँ, दिला देते हैं,
हम्म,
दैट टाइप ऑफ अ परसेप्शन कि 200 एंड अबाउट 200 सीसी या फिर बिलो 350 इज येट लाइक, क्या करेगा,
हाँ,
कहीं गिर विर
गिर
जाएगा,
विर जाएगा।
बट इफ इट कम्स टू रॉयल एनफील्ड दे आर
ही
लाइक,
नोज दैट, ओके, हाँ ठीक
रॉयल
है,
एनफील्ड चाहिए,
इट्स
और
फाइन।
कहीं ना कहीं सम इट कम्स आल्सो इन हेरिडिटरी
हाँ, ऑफ
कि
कोर्स,
पापा
हाँ
को
हाँ,
चाहिए
यस यस
थी,
यस
उनके
यस।
पास या तो थी या फिर नहीं थी, तो
इनफील्ड्स हैव
बेटा लेगा
बीन,
तो हाँ मैं भी
हाँ,
चलाऊंगा,
इंडिया में इनफील्ड्स हैव बीन थ्रू एजेस, मतलब सालों हो गए उसको। इमोशन वही रहा है।
एग्जैक्टली,
Emotions are very important.
एग्जैक्टली,
I think they played well with the emotions.
एग्जैक्टली, एग्जैक्टली,
ये एक
इवन
to sum
अभी
it
भी
up.
उनके कमर्शियल में हैव स्टे रॉयल और समथिंग
Yeah,
ऐसा
so I'll
कुछ
tell
था।
you what, they had this fantastic campaign
हम्म,
when they launched their Bullet.
हम्म,
They upgraded to the engine to the newer one, the
हम्म,
less vibrations one.
हम्म,
The most refined Royal Enfield, I could say, is right now
हम्म, हम्म,
what they're getting.
हम्म,
And I think they partnered with His Highness Laksharat Singh
हम्म,
of Udaipur,
हम्म, हम्म,
and Bullet Meri Jaan. That was the whole campaign thing where he owns a lot of Royal Enfields, and
हम्म,
they they said his side of the story, like about how
हम्म,
his attraction towards the Enfields and
हम्म,
कितना पुराना उनके पास है, और अब ये वाला
एग्जैक्टली,
लॉन्च कर रहे हैं, with still that whole hand painted
एग्जैक्टली,
this thing, and also that heritage is there. So
एग्जैक्टली,
what best to launch a product or have a campaign
हम्म,
with a person associated with a
हम्म,
lot of heritage,
हम्म,
because Laksharat Singh has a lot of heritage. His father's
हम्म,
father's father's father
हम्म,
were the king of Mewar,
हम्म,
right? And that is something. It comes with a lot of rich history and all of that, and so
एग्जैक्टली,
does the motorcycle.
एग्जैक्टली, बट इफ यू टेक एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ अ हार्ले डेविडसन,
Hmm.
ठीक है, सो इट्स लाइक हार्ले डेविडसन recently, like 2 years back or 2.5 years back, launched their Pan America.
Hmm.
Now it is like Harley Davidson is a old brand.
Hmm.
They tried it with one or two motorcycles के कुछ modern करके देखते हैं,
Hmm.
but it's like खुद के पैर पे कुल्हाड़ी मारना.
I kind of agree.
एग्जैक्टली राइट, सो उन्होंने अपना मार्केटिंग, अपना ब्रांड परसेप्शन, ये सब इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग कर दिया कि इफ यू आर एंटरिंग इनटू द हार्ले डेविडसन शोरूम, you must be clear that you want something like
Cruiser.
48
Correct.
fat
Or
boy,
cruisers. Correct.
that type of a thing, right? And then suddenly they realize कि हमारे सारे क्रूजर्स के कस्टमर्स आर डाइवर्टिंग टुवर्ड्स एडवेंचर.
Hmm.
Every Harley Davidson, when I was working with BMW, it is that phase of time when every Harley, almost not every specific, but almost every Harley rider, big bike rider,
Yes, yes. The
wants to
GS, yes.
enter and wants to have a 1250 GS or GSA, because that is in flagship, and it is, absolutely with no doubt it is in flagship.
Yeah.
I have driven it, I have sold it, and in every way. So now, what happens? Harley Davidson wakes up and we want to make a adventure bike,
Hmm.
and within very short amount of time.
Hmm.
So making a motorcycle which is very comparable to a flagship adventure is a tough job, and that's what they might have realized, but इतना engineering डालने के बाद
के
भी
नहीं हुआ.
हाँ
Correct.
नहीं हुआ,
Correct.
and now their market is like declining, yet people has this clear thought कि अगर हमें एक इतना like cruiser और वैसा चाहिए, तो हार्ले डेविडसन इज अ प्लेस. बट इवन इंडियन शीफ एंड अदर मोटरसाइकिलिंग कंपनीज आर, बट उनका वो स्ट्रॉन्ग है, बट अगेन इफ यू सी द स्टैक्स, Harley Davidson is coming this,
Correct.
Royal Enfield is going this.
Hmm.
But my point of view is, if you don't change your vision, if you don't change your products, okay, एक ही engine पे if you are bringing 10 different body parts और slightly changing the chassis, वो भी आपकी टूटती है, ठीक है, which is a very bad thing while you are representing a country like India, ठीक है.
Correct.
तो आपको थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा केयर लेना चाहिए कि आप अपने देश का भी वो नाम को आगे लेके जाओ. If you have this much huge funding and everything, engineers and everything, and still उनकी आज की डेट में भी उनकी चैसी टूट जाती है, हिमालयन की चैसी टूट जाती है.
जी.
This is like what? This is like a joke to me, to be honest. I shouldn't say this on podcast, but this is not a fair enough thing.
Correct.
Right? You must have some vision. You must have some hardcore engineering. Okay, just putting a TFT on a screen is not worth it. Or just
True.
adding few more features is not worth it. Okay, because this is much more important, or it becomes much more important.
Correct.
When you have huge amount of customers in your lineup, like
Correct.
existing customers.
Yeah,
Sorry,
absolutely.
तो दे ऑल्सो एक्सपेक्ट कि उनकी कंपनी की ब्रांड इमेज अच्छी हो, या फिर उन्हें फ्यूचर में कुछ अपग्रेड भी करना
करना पड़ा.
तो दैट विल बी the same brand that
Yes.
they might like to go with.
True.